A very happy and cheerful morning to all my dear students. I hope you all are fine at home and taking care of your health. So, we're back with our social studies class. And as you remember, we were studying chapter number 3, that is motions of the earth. So today we are going to start the new topic in it, that is your revolution of the earth. See, before this we have studied about rotation. Now we are going to start to study about revolution of the earth. Okay, ready with your textbook? Let's start. While rotating on its axis, we are talking about earth. The earth also revolves around the sun. So, this motion of the earth is known as revolution. Please underline it. That is, it also revolves around the sun. It revolves around its own axis, that was rotation, and it also revolves around the sun. That is your revolution. The time taken by the earth to complete one revolution around the sun comprises 1 year. How much time it takes? 1 year. Therefore, the revolution of the earth is also known as the annual motion. Why annual? Annual means one complete year. So that is why it is also known as the annual motion. The earth takes 365 days, 5 hours and 48 minutes and 56 seconds to complete one revolution around the sun. Now I know this is a very big figure to remember days, hours, minutes, but for our convenience, what they have done, we count only 365 days in a year. Is it clear what they did? See, 365 days, 5 hours and 48 minutes and 56 seconds. So this much time it takes to complete one revolution. But for our convenience, we write 365 days in a year. The balance of the remaining 6 hours. Now this remaining, what about this now? So the balance is adjusted as 1 extra day every 4th year. Okay, so what they do? The balance, that is this balance. Okay, it is adjusted as 1 extra day every 4th year of what? Which is added to the month of February of that particular year. Every 4th year. Okay, what they do? They add this balance. They keep on adding this balance, and every 4th year they add 1 day. That is only in the month of February. Now I hope you are getting the hint. February has 28 days. Now they are adding 1 more day. That means it becomes 29 days. So what? Therefore, every 4th year, February has 29 days and that year has 366 days. Okay, what it means? See, 1 year has 365 days, but we have added 1 more day every 4th year. See, 1, 2, 3 and 4th year. And total, it has 366 days. So that extra day goes to the month of February, and this 4th year is known as a leap year. Is it clear? Leap year has 366 days, and in this year, what happens? February has 1 extra day, that is 29 days. Now moving forward, see, this is called a leap year. Okay, so this is your homework. First and second MCQ. Do it on your own, okay? This is related to what we discussed. Now talking about the effects of revolution. The revolution of the earth around the sun directly or indirectly affects the life on the earth and causes various natural phenomena. Okay, so the revolution that happens, it directly or indirectly, it affects us. Okay, different effects of the earth's revolutions are, let's see what are the effects. Difference in the duration of day and night. Okay, difference in the distribution of heat over the surface of the earth. Even this distribution of what? Of heat, that is, somewhere it will be more hot, there will be more sunlight, somewhere it will be less. So that also depends on revolution. It causes the cycle of seasons. Okay, so season cycle also it causes. The change in the season is one of the major effects of the earth revolution. Please underline, dash is one of the major effects of the earth's revolution. So that is change in the seasons. Clear? Okay. Now moving forward to the new topic, that is aphelion and perihelion. So you remember in the beginning of the chapter, what we did? We have learned the key meanings, that is the new words. So in that we have also studied aphelion and perihelion. So what it says? The earth revolves around the sun along a fixed path, and that is called orbit. We all know this, isn't it? That the earth revolves around the sun in a fixed path. That is your orbit. The length of the earth's orbit, please underline, is about 938 million kilometers. The shape of the orbit is not round. It is not round. It is either elliptical or oval. Oval like an egg. Okay. Oval like an egg. Therefore, it is also known as an eclipse. Is it clear? The shape of what? Of the orbit. It is not round. It is elliptical or it is oval in shape. Like an egg. That is why it is known as ellipse. Since the orbit is elliptical and the sun is located at one focus of the ellipse, the distance between the earth and the sun changes throughout the year. Okay, what happens? The distance between the earth and the sun, it changes throughout the year. Okay. Now let's study about aphelion and perihelion through video.
Aphelion and perihelion. The earth revolves around the sun along a fixed path called orbit. The length of the earth's orbit is about 938 million kilometers. The shape of the orbit is not round. It is elliptical or oval like an egg. Therefore, it is also known as an ellipse. Since the orbit is elliptical and the sun is located at one focus of the ellipse, the distance between the earth and the sun changes throughout the year. The earth, while moving around the sun in its orbit, comes nearer to the sun. At this point, the distance between the earth and the sun is minimum, that is about 146 million kilometers.
See, as they said that it is oval in shape. It is not perfect round. So what happens? That this rotation, when it is the revolution going on, what happens? The distance keeps on changing. Sometimes it is very near, sometimes it goes far away. See, and the sun is minimum, that is about 146 million kilometers.
And we say that the earth is in perihelion. Peri means near and helios means the sun. This happens on or around January 4 of every year. Similarly, during revolution, when the earth reaches to a point in its orbit where the distance between the earth and the sun is maximum, about 151 million kilometers, the Earth is said to be in aphelion. Ap means away from and helios means the sun. This happens on or around July 4 every year.
Okay, children. Is it clear? See, if you want, you can write it for your understanding. Perihelions mean what? The word peri means near and the word helios means the sun. That means near the sun. Remember, perihelion means near the sun and aphelions means far away. Okay? Ap means away from and helios means the sun. So, away from the sun. That is the maximum distance during that time. And this happens on or around 4th July every year. Is it clear, children? Okay? So, let's keep it till here and in the next video, we will continue with the chapter. Till that, take care of your health. Goodbye.